Hello and welcome. Today, we are not just creating fashion, we are bringing history onto the canvas. Our subject today is the pride of Maharashtra, the Nauvari Saree. Part 1. The Drape and Structure. Nauvari literally means 9 yards of fabric, which is significantly longer than typical saris. Its most distinct feature is its unique drape. It is worn like a dhoti, without a separate petticoat. The special tuck, known as the kashta, tuck at the back, is what gives it this freedom of movement. This crucial detail transforms the garment from a simple drape into a attire fit for the battlefield. Part 2. The Historical Roots. But when and why did this attire emerge? Its roots trace back to the Maratha Empire in the 17th century. This was an era when Maratha women were not confined to homes. They actively participated in administration and even warfare. The conventional saree was unsuitable for tasks like horseback riding or fighting. Hence, they adopted the functionality of the men's dhoti, and the Nauvari was born. It became a powerful symbol of strength and the freedom of the warrior women. Part 3. Fashion Details. Today, the saree is most often seen in the Peshwai or Brahmin style, typically crafted from luxurious Paithani silk. The Nauvari look is completed with traditional jewelry. Most notably, the pearl-studded Marathi nath, nose ring, and the crescent moon-shaped Chandrakar bindi on the forehead. So friends, the next time you see this beautiful Nauvari saree, remember it is not just fashion, but a living story of Maharashtra's glorious history. Let us know in the comments how you liked this illustration and information. Don't forget to subscribe.